Welcome back to Bristol, everyone. Local time just approaching 1:10. We're 35 minutes ahead of schedule, temperature 10 degrees centigrade. As we taxi to our final parking stand, please do remain seated, keeping your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the overhead seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before you leave us this afternoon, please do take one moment to make sure that you have absolutely everything with you, checking under the seat and the seat pockets and the overhead stowage compartments just to make sure. Do take care when you open up an overhead, just in case anything has moved about in flight. Any items that are left on board will automatically be handed off as lost property to our local handling agents here at Bristol Airport. You need to have your passports ready for inspection by the immigration authorities. Please do follow the signs for arrivals. Once you have cleared immigration and customs, Customs channel today is the blue and yellow star channel, arrivals from the European Union. Thomson Airways carries more people to more destinations than any of our competitors. We're absolutely delighted to be the launch customer in the UK for Boeing's brand new baby, the 787 Dreamliner. From November, you'll be able to fly direct from London to the beautiful Thai beach resorts of Phuket in Thailand. From May 2014, we're launching to brand new destinations, Mauritius and the Pacific coast of Mexico. Do hope you've had a wonderful holiday in Italy. For further inspiration, do visit our website, thompson.co.uk, firstchoice.co.uk. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey home from the airport this afternoon. On behalf of Captain Adams and his crew, it's certainly been a pleasure to have you on board. We very much look forward to welcoming you and being of service on another Thomson Airways flight in a not too distant future. Thank you and good afternoon, everyone.